Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change Gmail ID name or Google account name. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So the first thing you just need to do is to just go and open your Gmail app. Once you are here, just click on these three lines and scroll a bit and click on settings. Here we need to choose the Google account whose name we are going to change. Then here we need to click on manage your Google account and now tap on personal info. Now scroll a bit and you will find the option for name. We just have to click on this little arrow. So as you can see here, there is also option for nickname. So if you want to change your nickname or if you want to add a nickname, you can do that from here. But I want to change my name, so I can just change my name from this pencil icon. And here you will find that you can change your first name, last name according to you. Let me add here my surname, which I just want to change. Okay, and once you do that, just click on save, and from that point your name will be updated in Google. So this is that simple to change your name in Google account. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.